We're just reviewing a 106-inch VTL guard, just to emphasize some of the highlights. We have custom bases down here with levelers to balance it out. There's a counterweight system. This guard weighs about 150 pounds, which you can move with just a finger. It also has an interlock option. So as you lower the guard down, the interlock shuts the machine down, and with one hand you can move the guard down, do your operation, and then lift it back up. Guard is good to go. There's a little summary. Of a 106-inch VTL guard.